Welcome to New Luxury Bike, the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting motorcycles from around the world. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2025 Honda ADV X 750, a machine built to dominate both the urban jungle and the wild outdoors. Bold adventure design. The 2025 Honda ADV X 750 makes an instant impression with its aggressive styling and rugged build. The sharp LED headlights, muscular body panels, and tall windscreen showcase its adventurous spirit. Its design language is a perfect blend of futuristic aesthetics and rugged toughness, making it equally at home in city streets and off-road trails. The bike comes with an adjustable windscreen, a wide handlebar for better control, and a comfortable seat designed for long rides. With its elevated ground clearance and strong frame, it's ready to face challenging terrains head-on. Power and performance. At the heart of the ADV X 750 lies a powerful 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering smooth yet thrilling performance. Honda has tuned this engine to balance fuel efficiency with strong acceleration, making it versatile for daily commuting and long-distance touring. Equipped with Honda's advanced DCT automatic transmission, riders can enjoy seamless gear shifts with the option of manual control for a sportier ride. The ride modes, including urban, touring, and off-road, allow you to tailor the bike's performance to different conditions. Comfort and technology. Long journeys are made easier with features like a plush saddle, spacious riding posture, and advanced suspension. The upside-down front forks and rear monoshock provide excellent stability, whether on highways or gravel paths. Technology is another highlight of the ADV X 750. A full-color TFT display offers navigation, smartphone connectivity, and real-time riding data. Riders can stay connected with Bluetooth functions, music control, and call notifications, making every ride smarter and safer. Safety and control. Honda has equipped the ADV X 750 with advanced safety systems. Dual-channel ABS, traction control, and Honda selectable torque control ensure confident handling on wet roads, dirt tracks, or steep climbs. The large disc brakes at both ends provide strong stopping power, while the robust tires deliver superior grip across surfaces. Practicality and utility. Designed for adventure, the ADV X 750 also emphasizes practicality. It comes with ample under-seat storage, perfect for helmets or travel gear, and optional side panniers for extended tours. A USB charging port and keyless ignition add modern convenience to this adventure-ready scooter. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda ADV X 750 is not just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle machine. Combining comfort, performance, technology, and rugged design, it redefines what an adventure bike can be. Whether you're Con K.